In 2010, someone paid 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 pizzas. Today, that's worth over $600 million. But here's the thing. Bitcoin wasn't created to make people rich. So why the heck does it even exist? Picture this. It's 2008. The economy just crashed. Banks are failing. People are losing their homes. And everyone's asking the same question. Who can we trust with our money? Most people said the government. Some said nobody. But one person, or group, we still don't know who, had a different answer. They said, what if we didn't need to trust anyone at all? And that's where things get interesting. See, every time you use money, you're basically trusting someone. When you swipe your card, you trust the bank to move your money. When you use cash, you trust the government printed the right amount. But here's the problem with trust. It can be broken. Banks can freeze your account. Governments can print more money and make yours worth less. And if you want to send money to someone in another country, good luck. You'll pay fees, wait days, and hope nothing gets lost in between. So in 2008, someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto asked a simple question. What if money could work like email? Think about it. When you send an email, you don't need permission from a bank. You don't pay a middleman. You just send it directly to someone, anywhere in the world, in seconds. Bitcoin does the same thing with money. But here's the genius part. Email is easy because you can copy it infinitely. But money? You can't just copy money. So how do you send digital money without someone spending the same coin twice? Satoshi solved this with something called the blockchain. Imagine a massive notebook that everyone in the world can see. Every time someone sends Bitcoin, it gets written in this notebook. And here's the trick. Thousands of computers around the world all have a copy of this notebook. So if you try to cheat and spend the same Bitcoin twice, everyone's notebook will catch you. No banks, no governments. Just math and code keeping everyone honest. But here's what most people miss. Bitcoin wasn't created to make you rich or replace your credit card. It was created to give you something money hasn't had in decades. Control. For the first time in history, you can own money that nobody can take from you. No government can freeze it. No bank can deny you access. No company can decide you're not allowed to use it. And that's terrifying to some people, because when you give people control, you also give them responsibility. There's no customer service number, no forgot password button. If you lose your Bitcoin, it's gone forever. But to millions of people around the world living under corrupt governments or collapsed economies, that's not a bug, that's freedom. So Bitcoin exists because someone looked at the 2008 financial crisis and decided that maybe, just maybe, we shouldn't have to trust banks with everything. Maybe we could trust math instead.